If you previously deactivated your Facebook account for a break, you don't need to create a new account in return. Reactivating your account restores your profile, post, friends, and settings exactly as they were. If you previously deactivated your Facebook account for a break, you don't need to create a new account in return. Reactivating your account restores your profile, post, friends, and settings exactly as they were. First, go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Now, you need to go ahead and use the same account credentials as you deactivated your account. Facebook will ask you if you want to reactivate your account. Tap on Reactivate, which is also highlighted in blue color, and you'll see the indication that the Facebook account has been reactivated in the bottom, and you'll be logged into your account. Sometimes, Facebook may ask you to verify your account if prompted. You may need to confirm your email or phone number and verify your identity via security questions or code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification and check your account. Your profile, friends, post, and settings will appear as before. And now you can use your Facebook normally. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.